So we got this situation. We have to use concept of little bit definite integration. So in this part, you know that first we have to do the integration, and then you have to put upper limit, means you have to replace x with the upper limit, and minus you have to replace y with, sorry, x with the lower limit. Okay, and then you will get your things done. Here if you'll observe, you have something into something. So there are two things are in product, and you have to do the integration. So you know that you will be using integration of uv function. So first we have to decide which function has to be taken as first function and the second function. So if you will observe this bubble, its integration is easy. You know that we used to take help of isolate, but I don't think this can help you in this question. So we have to take help of the idea where we have taken first function as that function whose differentiation is easy, second function as that function whose integration is easy. So if you'll observe this bubble, its integration is easy. You have to just remove 1d, that's it. Okay, so we will take that bubble as its integration is easy. Okay, so we will take that as second function. Let's apply the integration formula. So first function, integration of second function, okay, minus whole integration differentiation of first function into integration of second function, dx square 1 minus x square power 5 dx. Now be super slow. Let's apply that one. So x 4x cube. Now do the integration. You know that you will be differentiating with respect to x, and you have to integrate with respect to x. So you have to do nothing, just remove 1d. So differentiation and integration are reverse of each other. So you have to just remove 1d from this part. Okay. So we are left with this idea. Okay. Now move on to the next part. So 4 3s are 12 x square, and then again integration. So you will be writing d by dx 1 minus x square power 5 dx. Now how we will respond? Again here you can differentiate, okay, because now you have only differentiation. So 4x cube, we have 5, 1 minus x square power 4, and then minus of 2x. Now here if you will break this thing, it will become bit complicated because it will take power 4, and we don't want to apply a minus b power 4. Okay, so rather what you should do, take 12 common and then apply again uv method. So first function, integration of second function, I will be taking this as the second function. First function, integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function into integration of second function, 1 minus x square power 5 dx. Now it is looking like bit complicated, but it is worth it. Okay, so it is minus of 40 x power 4, 1 minus x square power 4, and then minus of 12. Be very slow. Look at here. So we will be having x square, and the differentiation integration will be eliminated. We will be left with 1 minus x square power 5 minus its integration, means differentiation of x square becomes 2x, and then you will be having 1 minus x square power 5 dx. Okay, now things are little bit okay. Now let's open the bracket for we so that we can do the simplification part. So minus of 40 x power 4, okay, and then we will be having 1 minus x square power 4 minus of 12 x square 1 minus x square power 5 plus 12 into 2, 24 into, look at this, x times 1 minus x square power 5 dx. So you have to integrate this function. So for that, what I will do, I will take z as 1 minus x square. So dz by dx will become minus of 2x. Now this is dx, this is x. So I can manage that situation. Okay, so I will integrate that function only. So we will be having, means just we have to replace, uh, yes, it will become minus of dz by 2. So minus of 24 by 2 integration z power 5 dz. Okay, now you can proceed. Minus of 12 z power 6 by 6, this thing will become 2. Now you can write down the full thing. So 40 minus of 40 x power 4 1 minus x square power 4 minus 12x square 1 minus x square power 5, and then this thing minus of 2, who is z? Z is 1 minus x square power 6. So this is your integration. Now you have to apply the upper limit and the lower limit. What is that upper limit? It was 1 and the lower limit was 0, I think so, yes. So let's put the upper limit. If you'll put upper limit, this thing will become 0, this thing will become 0, this thing will become 0, because everywhere you have inside bracket you have x square. X square will become 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So here also it will become 0 and there also it will become 0. Okay, now put the lower limit. So if you'll put the lower limit, this thing will become 0 x power 4, this thing will become 0, and this thing will have something. So it is upper limit minus lower limit. So that thing will become plus of 2. So the required answer is 2. I hope the idea is clear, and if you have similar situations, you can handle accordingly. Okay.